Hi, I'm Azri. I'm just going to share with you a simple trick on how to pivot your foot. Some of my students, they have difficulty pivoting their foot for kicks. So let's say turning kick or roundhouse, where you're supposed to turn and do that. Okay. Where you're supposed to pivot is here. Okay. If you see those Taekwondo shoes, they will have circular pattern here at the bottom of the foot. So that is where you're supposed to pivot. So the simple trick is, thanks. So find something soft. Okay, find something soft. Put in front of your foot, like that. Okay. Number one, you should lift your heel a little bit if you're not used to it. So lift your heel a little bit and kick the soft thing with the heel as you pivot. So like this and then like that. Okay. So once you get used to it, it's from here and then like that. If you think it's hard, if you think like straight on is hard, you can just do it maybe at the side. You can do a 90 degrees first. Okay, 90 degrees. And then once you get used to it, you can do a full 180. Alright? Show it again. Show it again. From here, this. Okay, cool.